Big data financials, budgeting for use and management. Budgeting plays a critical role in the effective use and management of big data in finance. Strategic resource allocation and financial goals can help businesses. They can optimize operations and drive growth. Advanced analytics help organizations. They can gain insights into their financial performance. They can identify trends and patterns. This leads to data-driven decisions and better outcomes. How can budgeting help in managing big data financials? Budgeting is a roadmap for managing money. It sets goals, allocates funds, and tracks performance against targets. Big data analytics can improve budgeting in 3 ways. It can boost forecasting accuracy, find cost-saving chances, and reduce financial risks. Budgeting lets organizations monitor their finances and optimize spending. It helps them make data-driven decisions. What are the challenges of budgeting for big data financials? One of the main challenges of budgeting for big data financials is the complexity and volume of data involved. Managing and analyzing large datasets can be slow and costly. It requires special skills and technology. Also, data accuracy and integrity are vital in budgeting. Inaccuracies can cause flawed financial projections and poor decisions. Another challenge is ensuring data security and compliance with regulations. This is vital when handling sensitive financial information. Strategies and tools for budgeting in big data financials. To budget for big data, businesses can use strategies and advanced tools. A data-driven approach to budgeting can help organizations. They can use predictive analytics, machine learning, and AI. This will improve their financial planning and decision-making. Conclusion. In conclusion, budgeting is key to managing big data in finance. Using best practices, strategies, and tools for budgeting in big data financials can help businesses